Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to complete Star Pass and level up fast in FC Mobile. The Star Pass is a long-standing program in FIFA Mobile that carries on into the current season. This is one of the biggest profit generators for EA in this game, so we think this feature isn't going anywhere, at least in the near future. So the Star Pass rewards are divided into two categories, the free and premium. As we already know, rewards in the premium category are far better than the free ones. So to claim the premium rewards, you must spend real money, ranging from $8 to $15. Prices may vary depending on your location. So for the premium pass, you can get one star pass ticket, and for the premium pass bundle, one star pass ticket and 2,000 star pass credits. Now, to get Star Pass credits, the first thing that you can do is to go to the skill games. So you can also acquire Star Pass credits by playing skill games in daily or seasonal events, challenge modes, and various other modes. And you can gain additional Star Pass by going to the Division Rivals. So by playing Division Rivals modes, the versus attack, head to head, or manager mode, every win or draw counts towards your total points. Since the playing limit in Division Rivals is quite lenient, you can even use auto playing in manager mode. This method is one of the fastest ways to accumulate Star Pass points or credits. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.